Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, jumping straight into the Wet n Wild 42 eyeshadow palette. I'm going to show you the blue shades that I used to get the blue cut crease. So I did 3 blue shades into this palette, and then I'm going to go into the Karity palette and then use this nice aqua blue shade as well. And then I'm going to jump back into the Wet n Wild palette and go in with this pink fuchsia shade to do the pink side. After mapping out where I want my pink crease to be, I'm going to go straight into cutting the crease. Now, when I cut my crease the first time, I do want to set it with a setting powder because we're going to just be using, you know, just regular matte shadows, and we want everything to look seamless and not crease. So now I'm going to go in with this white shade just to put that on my brow bone. Jumping back into the Karity palette, I'm just going to go into this nice purple shade just to make the pink crease pop and, you know, just give it a little zhuzh. So this shade I'm going to be putting on my lids. I am putting this over the setting powder because I do not want my eyes creasing at all. So double setting the concealer would definitely help make this look last a very long time. So I'm going to jump in with some liner. One side I'm going to do pink and one side I decide to do blue. However, I'm going to line with black first. I switched out the blue and put white because the blue for some reason is dried out and I have to throw it out. Moving on to the face, going in with the NYX Killer Shine primer, going in with my putty primer from e.l.f. And then I'm going in with my NYX Born to Glow foundation and going to the Born to Glow concealer, my favorite combo. And I believe I'm in deep Sattle in this foundation, but this foundation is definitely fire. Here I'm going into my Pretty Fresh concealer from Colourpop, and I'm just want to give my under eyes more of a highlight. I do love this concealer. I do have a Pretty Fresh video. I will link it and I hope you guys watch it. So now I'm going to set my under eyes with that e.l.f. Halo freaking setting powder. Like, if y'all don't have this setting powder, I'm going to need y'all to stop this video, order it, and then finish watching, because this freaking setting powder is top dollar and it's only $8, okay? Jumping into highlight now, I'm going in with the Master Chrome from Maybelline, and then I'm going in with the Golden Flower Crown from Wet n Wild. Like, these are my favorite combo of highlighters. Like, I really love highlighting my face, child, okay? Okay, jumping into BH Cosmetics Cotton Candy palette, I'm just going to use this shade to do my inner corner, and then I'm jumping into the BH Cosmetics Bubblegum, and then I'm going to the blue shade to highlight my inner corner. And I just think this look came together as soon as I did my inner corner. Jumping into the NYX lip liner in the shade Coffee, I believe. Don't quote me, I will have it linked down below. Then I'm going straight into the liquid lipstick that is called London. I really love it. Is so bomb. You should go get it. Now jumping into blush, I'm going in with the e.l.f. blush called Always Spicy. I love this freaking blush so much. It complements my skin tone so good, and it low-key could be a bronzer but not be a bronzer. So I am done. I'm just gonna add my lashes, which is in the style Dream from Lash Kitty. I want to thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. We hit 500 subscribers. We are on the road to 1,000. So don't forget to like, comment, share. Please like this video, comment, so my videos can get thrown in the algorithm and we could be lit. Okay, so you guys stay safe, keep the mask on, keep them gloves on, okay, and social distance. I see you guys in my next video. If you like this gender reveal inspired look, let me know if you wore it, or would you ever wear it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.